Hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the Caudabe synthesis case here in the celestial blue color. It does come in 3 other colors, so if you follow my link down in the description, you'll see those. But this is a $41 case that is definitely worth the money. So looking at the case packaging here, you can see obviously the case, you can see the synthesis branding, you can see that it is 2 meters or 6.6 feet of tested drop protection there, MagSafe compatible, and a protective screen lip around the actual case and the phone, so that way you're kind of raising your phone screen up if you do put it face down. But the way to get it out is you just slide it out here. I've always been a big fan of the Caudabe branding. I always love the matte black look here. Then you just kind of lift this up and it reveals the actual phone case. And there is a little bit of some paperwork stuff in here with other Caudabe information of other products, but I won't get lost in the weeds on that. And here is the phone case. And right off the bat, guys, I really like this celestial blue. It's a little bit different than the celestial blue of the iPhone 14 Pro. That one was a little bit more of a brighter blue. Very matted still, or muted, but it was bluer. This is more of a really dark royal blue, and it looks really good. I love the color. Also inside, a little bit harder interior versus like their sheath case, which has kind of like more of like a velour kind of material that's going up against it. But the synthesis is kind of more rugged, if you will. And as you can see, you do have the MagSafe rings there that does say minimalist protection. It does have their really nice shock light material. It actually says inside here, genuine Caudabe product made with shock light, which is their proprietary material that's given it that ridiculous drop protection, but just also at the same time just making it feel fantastic in the hand. So let's grab my black titanium 15 Pro. I'm gonna start with the action button side and then just kind of push in. And there it is, guys. And this, like I said, man, this is gonna be on my phone after this video. I just love the color. It just looks so dang good. But looking at it, it's got that great texture like all Caudabe cases have. It's just this fantastic just feel to the hand. It's not too rough, it's not smooth, it's just that perfect mix. It's not a fingerprint magnet, it's not a smudge magnet. It's an easy case to get in and out of your pocket. It's an all-around just thumbs up type of case. Very basic, simple branding there at the bottom, which I appreciate. And then with the synthesis case, it's always had this like little extra look there. And as you can see, the lenses are recessed in nicely. So you got some camera bump action going on there, nothing too crazy. Now, if we look at the side, the other thing that's great about the synthesis case is this right here. This grippy pattern at the bottom just really makes this case even more grippier somehow. But it's just this like kind of dotted pattern and it feels great in the hand. The power button over here is also the same material as the rest of the case, so it's got a nice texture to it. And then if we move down, nice rounded corners here. We got our cutouts here for the USB-C charging port and our speakers, which is fantastic. And then if we look on this side here, you can see that we do have the same look. So we got the little dot patterns here. We got our volume up and down buttons with some plus and minus action going on there. A little pop of higher gloss color around it. And then our action button has that cover as well. Now with the synthesis case and the sheath case for that matter, they all have either a button cover option or a cutout option if you just want it cut out for the action button. But I much prefer this here. Covers it, protects it, it's all good. And then that's the look top down, very slim, very, very clean looking. And then looking here at the front, you can see that it is a very slim case once again. Does have that lip action going around it all the way, so it's going to be protecting the screen. A little bit more elevated on the edges. And then if you look here, you can see This does kind of stick out a little bit as well where the USB-C charging port is, just a tiny bit. But I do have a tempered glass screen protector installed and it is not affecting it at all. So that is a very good sign as well. Now, just like I always do in all my videos, let's do the wobble test. Getting bombarded by ESPN notifications here. But wobble test 1, face down, no shaking going on at all. Wobble test number 2, back down, shaking. It's inevitable, guys. You just got to get used to it with iPhone 15 Pro cases. It's rare that you're going to come across one that is just flat back with no wobble. It's just to be expected. But next, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So let's see how clicky and tactile these buttons are. So let's start with the power button. Okay, tactile and responsive. Volume up and down. Very tactile once again. Not as tacky and tactile as the power button, but still very clicky. And the action button, just fine. Doesn't give me a audible kind of tacky sound, but it does at least give me a little bit of a feedback. So at least I know when I'm pushing the button in, it does give me that nice haptic feedback as well. So yeah, buttons pass with flying colors, no problem at all. And then last but not least, let's do the MagSafe charging test here. So there we go. It is MagSafe charging compatible, as we all knew it would be. And the magnets are very strong, guys, like very strong. So if you are someone that likes to use MagSafe accessories, then you are going to be happy to know that this is going to do just fine. It doesn't interfere with Apple Pay. It doesn't interfere with Qi wireless charging. You're good to go with this case. So all in all, guys, if you're looking for a case that feels fantastic in the hand, and if you're like me, I usually go with the black or the grays or something like darker cases. But this blue just really, in my opinion, stands out a lot. I really like this color. But let me know down in the comments, what are your thoughts? Do you like this blue? Do you prefer black? I'm just kind of curious. Always love to get some feedback from everyone. But yeah, big thanks to Caudabe for sending this out for review. But there we go, guys. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. See you on the next one.